Hey guys, Ethan with the Rag Company, and joining me today is Miss Sidney Gwen, because today we are going to be giving this 1968 Chevy K10 some love. Let's jump into it. All right guys, so jumping straight into this, we're gonna be giving this Chevy K10 a glossy wash with the help of Sidney here using StjarnaGloss Bubblor.
Ooh. I didn't really want to get wet or dirty today.
What?
Yeah, maybe I'll come in later.
Well, it's a big truck, so I don't really want to wash the whole thing by myself. Okay. Well, the wheel cleaning, right? I mean, come on.
That's really. Did you look at those tires?
Yeah, it's horrible.
Dirty.
It's horrible. So that's why I really wanted help with this.
Yeah.
Teamwork.
I'll do the shiny stuff at the end.
Maker work.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So all right. So I guess I'm doing the work here. I'm gonna jump straight into the wash and the wheel cleaning, and then we'll leave some room for Sidney at the end. Let's jump into it. I can't believe I'm doing this myself. Starting off with our StjarnaGloss Bubblor here, right over the top of that Cyclone wash mitt. Give ourselves some of that nice glossy shampoo here. I love the way this stuff smells, and I love the lubrication it provides. Now, one thing I didn't really think about is, am I just gonna go in with a pressure washer, or am I gonna add some foam? Well, I did think about it a little bit because I already added some StjarnaGloss Bubblor to the foam cannon. So what we're gonna do first, give this thing a pretty thorough rinse, get all that dirt and grime and all of that muck off those tires there. And then from there, we'll lay down some foam. Now, is Bubblor a foaming soap? Not really, it's a high gloss soap. That's the whole point of it. However, I do wanna add lubrication as I'm here in the wash bay as it is. So we're gonna be foaming down, going through, top to bottom wash, getting this thing cleaned up. Probably gonna be breathing heavy. I'm probably gonna be struggling, and it's probably gonna sound pretty questionable from the other side of the wall over there. But hopefully Sidney will eventually join me on this wash, as this is a big truck with a lot of work. Let's get after it. Unlike most Valentine's Day, this truck has a surprising amount of protection. Are you comfortable? It looks comfortable over there.
Anthony, you probably should have started with the wheels first.
Anyway, so I just got done rinsing off the K10, and we're ready to jump into the Bubblor foam now with no help from Sid, and that's okay, right? Because I like doing all the work. It's fun. It's funner that way. So with that said, let's lay down some foam. Thought this would be a good time to hop in and remind you all that nothing screams love like premium detailing products, and that's because right now at theragcompany.com you can pick up the Stay In or Go Out kit, which features many of the products that we're using in today's video. Now on top of that, we also have some limited swag, which is pretty cool. And can you guess it? Yes, it's probably this shirt that I'm wearing right now. And I mean probably, I mean it is the shirt that I'm wearing right now. You could literally buy the shirt off my back. Well, in different sizes, and they're newer, of course. But anyways, head to theragcompany.com. We have limited stickers, limited swag, and of course these awesome kits where you can follow along and love your car the way that you want to love your car. Let's get back to the wash. All right, so that's looking nice and frothy because the next step here is going through with our bucket wash. Now, I'm not gonna be using a 2-bucket wash because quite frankly, this really just had some light dust on it with a little bit of some dirt on the wheels. It wasn't horrible. So for this, I got the Cyclone wash mitt inside here, which I absolutely love. Has the Gauntlet inner liner, which makes this extremely comfortable and does hold quite a bit of liquid, but not so much to where it gets heavy. Now, I love Bubblor for the fact that it adds a lot of gloss. Now, there's wash and waxes and there's things like that, but what's cool about Bubblor is that it uses Parla's polymer technology inside Bubblor to add even more gloss than you would get from like a normal wash and wax, if that makes any sense. And the lubrication is quite nice. So grabbing my mitt here, it's time to get dirty with this. I wish there was 2 mitts in here to make things easier on me. You know, Sidney, if you want, I can throw another mitt in the bucket if you want. I mean, it'll take me just a second. Ultra black sponge, maybe?
Oh, hold on. You're doing a great job, Anthony. Keep it up.
Anything? Just me. Okay, all right. It's okay. It's fine. Let's jump into it. It gets really wet in here often. You know, I just wish I had some help from somebody. It's like, if only there was just a whole team of people that were just willing to jump in just for the sake of the video. Be nice. But anyway, this wash is going quite well though. I will say, the Bubblor feels nice. This is very therapeutic for myself, even that is if I'm alone. That's okay. Valentine's all about experimenting, and that's what we're doing today. Throwing down with some premium detailing products, having fun, having a few laughs. Oh. So what's up with this?
Again.
I know,
in America.
It's fun sometimes to give the headlights a jiggle, but that's not the kind of headlight I like to jiggle. Yes, I know. I probably should have done the wheels first. I get it, it's fine. But we're using deionized water here, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the truck off, then knock out the wheels separately, and then we're gonna jump to drying. So I know that there's some wheel crazy people out there. Some wheel crazy people. Let's just rinse this thing. All right, so we just finished up with the rinsing process on the K10.
Hey, Anthony, I'm here with
Sid.
my favorite drying towel, the Liquidator.
Oh my
So
God.
let's get this thing dry.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
So you're taller than me. Would you mind doing the hood?
Yeah,
There you go.
I can do the hood. Thanks.
Cool.
Okay, so
I don't want to get wet.
yeah, no, I have more towels if you want.
No, that's good. You know what? This one will dry the whole truck.
You have a good point there. Okay. All right. Let's jump into this. Oh gosh. Oh, Sidney. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, I finished the hood and the roof, and so
Yeah.
you brought a.
I'm just here to get the streak that you left.
Okay.
It's all good.
I was gonna go back and do that eventually, but
Yeah, I got it.
okay,
got it.
cool. You have another drying towel?
Nope, I'm just gonna make sure these windows are clean.
Okay. Yeah.
See?
Yeah, it looks a lot better. Let's keep going. Excuse
Oh,
me.
sorry. Am I in your way?
You are.
Oh, I'm
yeah,
sorry.
It's okay.
Go ahead.
All right. Any help anytime soon would be great, you know. But I understand the importance of lip gloss.
Yeah.
It's needed. Just finished drying the truck.
Oh, Anthony, you sound like you need a break.
I do.
You sound like you've been working hard. So I'm going to use Shine-All and I'm going to put it on the tires.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So you take a break. I got this part.
Yeah. I think I'm going to go do my nails.
All right, I'll get these tires dressed while Anthony takes a break. I mean, he didn't dry the wheels, but that's okay. Shine-All works good on wet tires, so that part will be fine. I'll get him back to do that. So Anthony, I dressed the tires, but I noticed that this towel isn't totally soaked. And so do you want to hit these wheels and get those dry? You still have a little bit of drying left in you.
Drying, more like dying left in me.
You can do it.
I think Sid will get the wheels done.
No problem.
Yeah. At least I'm not alone anymore, so that's nice. All right, so I rinsed this truck, I washed this truck, I rinsed it again, and then I dried the truck, and I jumped in to dry the wheels. So I'm wondering if I'm finally gonna get any help here. Sydney.
Absolutely, because teamwork makes the dream work. So let's put some Dream Maker on it.
All right, finally, the part we're all waiting for. So Dream Maker is going to add some more gloss. It's gonna add a little bit of protection to this truck. But again, we're trying to go for the most amount of gloss with the least amount of work. I've done most of the work in today's case. So this is really just the cherry on top. So Sydney, can I get a couple spritzes? Oh, thank you very much.
No problem.
So Dream Maker does smell amazing, has this beautiful watermelon scent to it, and the feel of it is awesome as well. So what you're seeing here for towels is gonna be our Eagle Edgeless 450s in the exclusive teal color. This just works well with the shirt color, for sure, 100%. So if you are out there wiping in your car with a 450, make sure you have the limited TRC swag on you. All right, guys, so we just finished up as a team wiping down this Chevy K10. Sydney, what do you think of Dream Maker?
Oh man, I sure love me some P&S.
Absolutely, and I think that this thing looks absolutely awesome. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was meant to be fun, it was meant to be funny, and honestly, Sydney's one of the hardest workers I know, so don't take it too seriously. It was fun, and it kind of was my idea to do most of the work. So you can check out the products that we used in today's video down in the links below. I think that the results speak for themselves. A little bit goes a long way, especially when using StjarnaGloss Bubblor and P&S Dream Maker. It really does add a lot of gloss without a lot of work. And so, Sydney, biggest takeaway here, what do you think?
It looks fantastic. It looks great.
Let somebody else do most of the work and then come in for that final.
Yeah, if we've learned anything from this video.
Just get somebody else to do most of the busy work and then come in with the cherry on top. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks to Sidney for coming out and joining us for this, and I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday. So as always, if you guys enjoy this kind of content and want to see more, please make sure you give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and stay tuned for more videos right here at The Rag Company.